MPCC spokesperson K. Meghachandra accuses NPF of having double standard in protection of territorial integrity of Manipur. Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur, Koteshwar, has urged the people to resolve their issues before coming to the court. And a discussion on research and educational priorities for transforming Northeast India focuses on strategies to link research with education. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, MLA K. Meghachandra, has accused the Naga People's Front NPF of having double standards in protection of the territorial integrity of Manipur. Speaking to media persons at MPCC office on BT Road, Meghachandra alleged that the NPF is now divided into two factions. He said one group claimed that they attended the all-political party meeting on the framework agreement between the Government of India and the NAC and IM, while the other group maintained that they did not attend the meeting. The Congress spokesperson asserted that the Congress did not attack any particular community at the press meet held in connection with the all-party meeting. Meghachandra condemned the statement made by NPF MLA Awangbao Nyumai, which appeared in local dailies, that the Congress was provoking a particular community. He said NPF is part of the BJP-led government in the state and that BJP has been insisting that it will maintain transparency. Meghachandra demanded the government to disclose the details of framework agreement to the public. He said the Congress always has made its stand clear on the issue, and the BJP and NPF too should make their stand clear to clear the doubt among the people.
Ceasefire amadi masigi framework agreement to the yawe haina kone signariba mayam singse masi karigidamakta yamna clear oiba stance in the BJP gi Sarkar asina state ladiba, center the ladiba, amadi state asigi NPF ki kari sinaus in the karigi ko the khan bidabano, Sarkar ama Paimi Nariba Sitagi, Virgin and Tolokpa Wafum and Tolopasina Marmorkanda when a Hariba statement do when a Tamzaki Bani, Naga framework agreements in Nagaki Tonganba, State Malaysia, Manipurgi Tonganba, State Malaysia, Nagagi Tonganba, development gi, Zakotorangi, Amadi Makoida Hena. Singi area da kaida sa khona nabagi nagagi tawjagi badai koi kaide madu Nagaland gi state ta tawkidab.
Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur and Koteshwar today urged the people to resolve their issues before coming to the court. A commendation ceremony for the Best Paralegal Volunteer PLV and District Legal Service Authority 2016-2017 was held at the auditorium of the High Court of Manipur. District CJM Secretary of District Legal Service Authority, Imphal West, N. Tonsing, has been adjudged the Best District Legal Service Authority in Manipur, while M. Purnamash has been adjudged the Best Paralegal Volunteer in Manipur. Speaking at the event, Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur and Koteshwar stressed that the people must try to resolve any issue before approaching the court of law. He said the court must be approached when the issue is critical. The Acting Chief Justice maintained that court proceeding involves time and money. He also highlighted the role of paralegal authority in settling the issues before they are brought before the court. In his speech, Justice K.H. Nobin said the people do not try to find out the reason behind the delay in the distribution of rice for the poor people. He said the Government of India sanctions the rice for every month, but the people remain silent when the authorities concerned tell them that the PDS items have not been sent and that the items will be distributed next month. He appeals to people to take legal help regarding such matter. 9 Best Paralegal Volunteers for Imphal West, Imphal East, Ukhrul, Chandel, Bishnupur, Thoubal, Churachandpur and Senapati district were also selected at the event.
All various PLBs, to a great extent, they didn't resolve because the PLBs are attached to the legal system, judicial system. Because the people also respect. People also have confidence and trust to the PLVs because they think PLVs are connected with the legal system. Yes, the PLVs are connected with the legal system. Therefore, we want to ensure that the PLVs are also properly equipped in all areas wherever is possible.
The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Human Resource Development, which is on a 3-day visit to Imphal to discuss various areas including higher education, visited Manipur University today. The committee, headed by Dr. Satya Narayan Jatia, discussed research and academic activities with the Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, in the Imperial Hall of the Classic Grant. Professor Pandey highlighted some of the thrust area of research before the standing committee, which can be taken up by the university to the region and the state. As part of the ongoing Vigilance Awareness Week being held from October 30 to November 4, a district-level essay competition was held at DC Conference Hall Mini Secretariat Complex in Bishnupur today. 24 students from 9 different schools of the district took part in the competition held on the theme My Vision, Corruption-Free India. DC Bishnupur Bobby Wycombe said corruption is a big hurdle in developmental works in the state. He asserted that people need to play a major role in overcoming such hindrances. Bobby Wycombe said corruption can be checked to a great extent if people stop offering bribes to get jobs. A self-made innovator has been facing serious problems in his endeavor due to indifference of the government. Ketrimayum Nicholson, son of Ketrimayum Indrajit from Wangkai Koijam Laikai, developed an electric shock-proof converter. Ketrimayum Nicholson was felicitated by the government of India in November 2009. Former President of India, Pratibha Patil, presented him the National Science Innovator Award. However, he has not yet been able to avail any schemes of the center. Nicholson told Impact News that he invented the electric shock-proof electronic device in 2002 and it was successful in 2006. He said he approached the state government for financial assistance as the electronic device he invented needed huge financial investment. He claims that Chief Secretary Jarnail Singh issued an order to the Directorate of Science and Technology to sanction him financial assistance. However, he has not received any assistance till now. Nicholson also said after receiving the award, he got 1,25,000 rupees from the Planning Department under District Innovation Fund. He alleged that the officials took a bribe of 68,000 rupees. He said without any assistance from the government, he has managed to make around 60 machines and have been exported to other states and some companies. He expressed his inability to make the machine without government assistance. Nicholson is now making wooden and metal items to make a living. He urged the government to offer assistance to those individuals who are self-employed.
Fan mayam thari akona loge haru gone hek kano leite noige pesa pina leite khara kane ama leite na khara kane adu basmajum lebdi yadam ne ya to state amadai hadaki chimne su unarba matung sita response phajana phangbiraga de phare adu phangdraga rai kano tawgena ai adum asa dum leidai government na paikhaleba mayam sing sida innovator sing da support tawbugi lambi leragadi leiba mayam sing su innovation ge field adum lapiu adum yam phai adu natbida Imphal Valley da pokpa Imphal da leiba koi da pawda government innovator ji masa khangdana leingai sida atop innovator lakuma tamdadi yang warning ai ni yam sena hairagadi atop government support tawdana kotana hena ma implement torakna oragadi government adu ma kaino ma paikhalagadi atop innovation masing yam tholakpada yam thaganingai ni aduga chungtok tawdbida tum mek generally adu ma paisa ka tala sum pangle lejason okaiba sarkar ga adu ma minded am leiba hajipokti leirimni na innovator anobo tholo haibasi aide haining de aide
26 Assam Rifles today paid homage to rifleman late Narengbam Suresh Kumar Singh of 24 Assam Rifles, who was killed during counter-insurgency operation in Chandel on April 6, 2013 at an event held at Wangjing High School in Thaubal district. Suresh Kumar is survived by his wife and 2 sons. Family members, teachers and students of Wangjing High School attended the function. Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union has appealed to Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren to look into non-distribution of PDS items. The union in a press release also urged the government to take stringent action against those people who misappropriated the PDS items. Deputy General Manager, MSPCL Substation Division Number 1, Urembam Imphal, in a press release informed that there will be no power supply in 33 by 11 kV Iroshemba Substation and 33 by 11 kV Lumphel Substation and areas covered by the two substations on November 4 from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. as routine maintenance works of 33 kV Reshemba 1 and 2 line bay at 132 by 33 kV Urembam substation will be carried out. Now it's time for a small commercial break. We'll bring you the roundtable discussion on research and educational priorities for transforming Northeast India to discuss strategies to link research with education after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development (IBSD) organized a roundtable discussion on research and educational priorities for transforming Northeast India to discuss strategies to link research with education at the conference hall of the institute in Takhilpat today. Speaking as the chief guest at the event, the Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham lauded the initiative of Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development. He termed it as a timely move as there are no sincere efforts to systematically and scientifically prioritize the problems afflicting the region and also to identify their solutions. He appeals to all educationists, scientists and students to work beyond degrees towards sustainable development of the region. He asserted that researches conducted by research scholars have no significance if they do not contribute for the development of a society. Radhesham appealed for cooperation from everyone to bring development in the state. Director of IBSD, Professor Dinabandhu Sahu, who is the key architect of the initiative, told the gathering that no country in the world has developed without applying advances in research and development and education. Educationists, scientists and students took part in a discussion.
How should we go at par? How should we compete advanced developed countries? That is very important. If you want to bring any change, for any living being to live, you require three most important things. One is air, second one is water, third one is light, that is energy. So without these three things, one cannot live. Nobody can survive on this earth. So I took them there to my constituency to find out whether we can use underground water for drip irrigation so that we can grow, we can practice crop rotation.
Board of Secondary Education Manipur stated that the registration for external and supplementary HSCL examination 2018 has been extended till November 10. BOSEM in a press release said the students can register by paying a fine of 100 rupees till November 10. Umanglai Kanba Punbalub Ukal has banned Omar Singh Wangkhem's book, The Writer's Mahabharata and Ramayana as a Real Religious Scientist, and also banned the writer from publishing books in the future. Omar Singh Wangkhem has already asked for forgiveness. Speaking to media persons at the office of Ukal, Konung Mamang, convener of the Loop, Mutum Maniton said Ukal and different other organizations have come to an understanding with the writer and his family members. He said they have talked and resolved the issue regarding the book with his family members. Elder brother of the writer said the book was kept in the house without being sold. It became an issue when his brother secretly gave away a few copies to some people. He said a student organization has also seized all the copies of the book. He appeals to the people not to create any issue anymore.
Laibik ibiriba, pongbiriba, miam punamangna, mioi punamangna, masiyamna section binanaba ukalna appeal tausiri. Manipur government nasu pongiba, iriba, lairik mayam jingsi pongiba, mayam jingsi oiba. Board kumba mas shemaga masi ningthina screening to wama hojikti yam mathau tarabra haibagi khoida khanjaba lai lairak sigi wathoksi aiba masasigi aduga imung manungi leiriba phibam mayam jingsi yengbiraga wathoksi yarigai tension binanaba lebang mayam gi famda su koi haijeri.
Medical Superintendent of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, in a press release said MRI will not be conducted in Radio Diagnosis Department due to technical failure. Canadian films will be screened at the 5-day Canadian Evening, which will be held at Usha Cinema from November 13 to 17 to give different cinematic experience to movie lovers of the state. The event is being organized by Critics Association Manipur. Announcing about the event at a press meet held at Usha Cinema, Hirojit Nomaithem, screening committee member CAM, said the 9 Canadian films of different genres which have won international awards will be screened. The committee is planning to make the event a calendar event where films from different parts of the world will be screened.
Film apabu yembe khudong sabasi Manipur da varieties film si yengi da bukwere cable network ta khaida akoina yeming ban mi ramda yembo na tana theater da natraga public shot utfam simda film mai si Manipuri film ko tana atapa language ki atapa country ki state ki yema phangta buse masi phangan ba film pamjaba singsita sumai da su film si yemora ka mo ki hena tungi pusida ena afaba film putok pada miyang thamna ba aduda si film evening session sinjaban.
San Images Frontier France accorded the first ever photography distinction associate ship of Sans Images Frontier AISF in the northeast India to Secretary of Images of Manipur Jinendra Maibam from Lalambung Takilambam Lekai. Meanwhile, the first ever Manipur Shanghai International Photo Contest Digital Saloon 2017 to be organized by Images of Manipur has been approved by 5 international photography bodies. Entry for the International Photo Contest on monochrome color nature and photo travel section should be submitted online, and the photographs will be judged by a panel of experts in Kolkata. The School of Photo Technique, New Delhi, is supporting the set of International Photo Contest. Directorate of MOBC in a press release said the online verification of minority scholarships 2017-2018 under NSP 2.0 have not been verified. It said nearly 80% of online applications under all 3 scholarship schemes, namely pre-metric, post-metric and MCM for the year 2017-2018 have not been verified. It requested ZEOs concerned to tie up with the Education Directorate schools to avail the user ID and password for online verification. Now the sports news. Odisha outclassed Kerala 4-1 in the first quarter-final match of the Sub-Junior Girls National Football Championship played this morning at Kumanlampak Artificial Turf Ground. In the second quarter-final, Chandigarh thrashed Bihar 11-0. Maharashtra beat Delhi 2-1 in the third quarter-final, while Manipur dropped Delhi 5-0. N. Priyanka and S. Linda Com scored in the 50th, 61st, 59th and 84th minute, while T.H. Martina scored in the 73rd minute of the match. The first semi-final will be played between Manipur and Maharashtra, while Chandigarh will meet Odisha in the second semi-final on the 4th of this month. 21 teams from various states of India are competing in the championship organized by All Manipur Football Association under the aegis of All India Football Federation. Rao Lariyengban Lekai beat their rival in the 22nd Thangjam Birachandra and Maipakpi Memorial Winners' Cup. In a match played today, the away team Rao Lariyengban Lekai beats the home team KPSC Kakching 2-1. For the winners, Khangam Horam and Lungolen netted a goal each in the 17th and 21st minute of the match. The lone goal of the losing team was netted by S. Inauton in the 14th minute of the match. 11 teams who were winners in district level Super League are taking part in the football tournament. The next match of the tournament will be played on the 4th of this month. Host NC Club Khongampat beat away team Zaliangrong FC Tamenglong 4-0 in Thangjam Birachandra and Maipakpi Memorial 22nd, the Men's Winners' Cup at a match played at SKYC Ground, Awang Sekmai. 11 teams which have won Super Leagues held in different districts are playing on home and away basis. Five players who represented Manipur at the 14th National Masters Aquatic Championship 2017, which began yesterday in Mysore, Karnataka, have bagged medals including gold. Meena Lema bagged gold in 50-meter backstroke, while A. Manbi bagged silver, and Sandhya Rani Devi and Ibetombi Soraisam bagged 1 bronze medal each in the same category. A. Elizabeth bagged bronze in 100 meter. Iben Tombi Soraisam bagged gold in women's 50 meter freestyle for 60 to 62 years, while S. Jayanta bagged gold in men's 100 meter breaststroke of men's 35 to 39 years. S. Mohendro bagged silver in men's 50 meter freestyle of 65 to 69 years. Lorembam Ibetombi bagged silver in women's 50 meter freestyle of 60 to 64 years. Athokpam Manbi bagged a silver each in 50 meter freestyle and 40 into 50 medley relay of 65 to 69 years. Y. Herachandra bagged a bronze in 100 meter breaststroke of 50 to 54 years. H. Gojan bagged a bronze in 50 meter freestyle of 50 to 54 years, while Nomaite Mina bagged gold and silver in women's breaststroke and 40 by 50 medley relay of 55 to 59 years. A. Elizabeth bagged silver in 4 into 50 medley relay of 35 to 39 years, while Athokpam Rita bagged a silver in 40 into 50 medley relay of 54 to 59 years. The championship will conclude on November 3. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. MPCC spokesperson K. Meghachandra accuses NPF of having double standard in protection of territorial integrity of Manipur. Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur, Koteshwar, has urged the people to resolve their issues before coming to the court. And a discussion on research and educational priorities for transforming Northeast India focuses on strategies to link research with education.